So, OnePlus might be gearing up for another surprise, and this time, it's the OnePlus 15T, a compact powerhouse that could redefine what a small flagship can be. The company already launched the OnePlus 13T earlier this year in China, known as the OnePlus 13S in India, and it became one of the few truly budget-friendly Android flagships around. Now, fresh leaks hint that its successor is not far off, and it might just pack some serious upgrades under the hood. According to Weibo tipster Smart Pikachu, the OnePlus 15T, or OnePlus 15S, depending on the region, will feature a 6.3-inch display, continuing OnePlus's focus on delivering a smaller, more manageable form factor. Despite its compact size, this device is expected to bring the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, Qualcomm's latest and most powerful processor yet. That alone puts it in direct competition with the biggest names in the Android space. But that's not all. The phone is rumored to feature a premium metal frame and multifunction buttons, which might be used for AI-related tasks or even as a dedicated camera control, similar to what we've seen on recent flagship models. This could make the 15T more versatile for creators and power users alike. The most jaw-dropping part of the leak, however, is the battery. Smart Pikachu suggests that the OnePlus 15T could come with a massive 7,000 mAh+ battery, a staggering number for a 6.3-inch phone. To put that in perspective, the OnePlus 13's already packed a hefty 5,850 mAh battery, and this would still be a major step up. If true, we could be looking at one of the longest-lasting compact smartphones on the market, breaking the usual trade-off between size and battery life. There's also mention of ultrasonic sensors, though it's unclear if this means multiple sensors or simply a single ultrasonic fingerprint reader under the display. Either way, it would be a solid improvement over the optical fingerprint sensor used in the previous model, bringing faster and more accurate biometric authentication. While camera details are still under wraps, fans are hoping OnePlus will finally include a telephoto lens, making it a true triple camera setup. The 13T shipped with just two lenses, a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, leaving users wanting a bit more photographic versatility. If these leaks hold up, the OnePlus 15T could emerge as a small yet mighty flagship, balancing top-tier specs, strong battery life, and an approachable price tag. A combination that's becoming increasingly rare in today's smartphone world. Either way, this one's definitely worth keeping an eye on, because if OnePlus gets the pricing right, the 15T could be a game changer in the mid-premium segment. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming OnePlus 15T? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.